spot a rare golden eagle if it doesn't get sunny again.
I don't think you'll get many golden eagles around here.
Of course you do. Didn't you see the picture in the paper?
That was in the Highlands.
The Highlands aren't that far away. And with wings this big, they could fly down here in no time. As soon as the sun is shining, Mandy and I are going to find one.
Ho, ho, ho! Good luck. Oh.
Yes! Norman! Norman! Norman Price! Turn that thing off!
Huh?
Why did you set your alarm clock at the weekend? Why are you sleeping in your clothes? Go back to bed!
No way! Mandy and I are going to find a golden eagle. They're the coolest birds ever. Bye, Mum.
You won't see many birds if you carry on making such a racket. Oh!
Hello, is Mandy...
Hi, Norman! Bye, Mum! Let's go!